Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Now we'll see one problem related in electrostatics. How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of electricity? We're going to see that how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of electricity. You know very well that coulomb is nothing but it's a unit for charge. This is a unit for charge, that is a coulomb. So what is electricity? We are asking that they are asking 1 coulomb of electricity. What is electricity first of all? Electricity means charge. Electricity means charge. The charge symbol represents Q, right? Charge symbol represents Q. So from this, how we will remember? Remember electricity means charge. By using the formula Q is equals to Ne. By using the formula Q is equals to Ne. So therefore, how many numbers of electrons, how many electrons? That means it's nothing but numbers of electrons. So cross multiply. Therefore, we can take that N is equals to, shall we take it like N is equals to Q by E? Yes, because we are going to find how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of electricity. Therefore, N is equals to Q by E. N is equals to Q by E. That Q is 1 coulomb. Q is 1 coulomb by E. In this E, we know the value for that. Constant value is electrons 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. 10 power minus 19 coulomb, which is equals to, if you calculate, we will be getting the answer, that is 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons into 10 power 18 electrons. So you may observe in this, we got this answer by substituting this formula. Q is equals to Ne. So we are finding what is N from this. N equal to Q by E. Formula N is equals to Q by E, which is equals to 1 coulomb of electricity. So Q is equals to charge. Q is equals to 1 coulomb by E. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So if you substitute this, we'll be getting 6.25 into 10 power 18 electrons. You may observe that if an electron does not have integral value of charge, because in the third video I mentioned that Q is equals to Ne. That means charge. Charge is quantized. Charge is quantized. That means, what does it mean? I told you, does not have, it would be having the integral value of charge. But you may observe, if an electron does not have integral value of charge, then all the charges may be in fraction. All the charges may be in fraction. And how we have 1 coulomb which is an integer. How we have 1 coulomb which is an integer. Our argument is that there are too many electrons in 1 coulomb. There are too many electrons we'll be having in 1 coulomb. So even in 1 electron is removed, it won't affect the integral value of charge. If you remove the 1 electron, it won't affect the integral charge. So for example, we can see it is like if you take out one bucket of water, sea water, you're taking some bucket of sea water. It will not affect the sea level. If you take out one bucket of sea water, it will not affect the sea level. At such a large value of charge equal to 1 coulomb. Large value of charge which is equals to 1 coulomb. So regard charge as continuous, much as the way we regard the matter to be continuous at macroscopic level. Even it is composed of atoms and molecules. So I hope you all understood this, right? So in the question, how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of electricity? This is a question. So just remember, electricity means charge. Charge is Q. Q is equals to Ne. N is Q by E, because we are finding what is N from this. N is equals to Q by E. Charge, in the question they have given like 1 coulomb. So 1 coulomb divided by, what is the electrons? 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. If you substitute, you will be getting this answer. From this, Q is equals to Ne. We already learned that under the case of properties of charge. So charge is quantized. So that I told you, you may observe that if an electron does not have integral value of charge, then all the charges must be in fraction. And how? Like 1 coulomb, which is an integer. For that example, I told you, one small bucket of sea water, it will not affect the sea level. Like that, at such a large value of charge, equal to 1 coulomb. So I hope you all understood this. For exam, you just remember this point. Q is equals to Ne. So finding N is equals to Q by E. So in this question in CBSE as well as PUC, they'll be asking in 2 or 3 mark question. Just practice. Thank you.